Welcome everyone to this exciting Blender 5 training session. What if today you could take your boldest, wildest ideas and bring them to life? Epic characters, fantastical worlds, and breathtaking animations. With Blender, that's exactly what you can do. This powerful, free, and open-source software is your creative playground, with no limits but your imagination. Now, let's be real. Blender can feel a little overwhelming at first. The endless tools, countless shortcuts, the complexities of modeling, texturing, and rendering. It's a lot to take in, right? But that's why you're here. Over this journey, we'll break it all down together, from the very basics to advanced techniques. We'll dive into everything: 3D modeling, animation, texturing, rigging, sculpting, and even the latest features of Blender 4.4 and 5, like geometry nodes, the asset browser, and real-time rendering enhancements. I'm Dr. Sudheendra S G, and for over 2 decades, I've been helping artists, students, and professionals around the world unlock their creativity with Blender. I've designed this course to build your confidence and your skills step by step, with free source files to help you practice and reinforce what you learn. Imagine this. Just a few weeks from now, you'll be sculpting your first characters, adding cinematic lighting, and animating scenes that truly come to life. Every project you create will push your limits and grow your skills. So, are you ready to transform curiosity into mastery? To shift from, "Where do I even start?" to, "Look what I just made"? Join us today and unleash your creative potential, because with Blender, the only limit is what you can imagine. Sign up now. Your 3D adventure begins here.
Hey everyone! In this session, we'll install Blender in 2 ways: the stable LTS release and the experimental Blender 5 daily build. By the end, you'll have both versions side by side and ready to use. Step 1. Download Blender. Open your web browser. Search for Blender 3D and open the first result, blender.org. This is the official Blender homepage. Click Download. You'll see the current LTS version. For me, it shows 4.5.x. This is the stable build recommended for production. We'll install this first. Click Download Blender to get the installer. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. In the Setup window, click Next. Keep the default install path, seek Program Files, Blender Foundation, Blender 4.5, and click Next. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Uncheck Learn how to support Blender, if you like, then click Finish. Now, on your desktop or via the Start menu, search for Blender 4.5 and open it. If you see 4.5.2 on launch, that just means you've got the latest patch version of 4.5. Perfect. Download Blender 5 Daily Build Portable Zip. Let's also get Blender 5 for testing the newest features. Back on blender.org, go to Download, then Daily Builds. Choose your platform, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. I'm on Windows. Under Windows, pick x64, Intel or AMD, not ARM, and click Download. This gives you a zip build you can run without installing. When the download completes, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip and choose Rename. Give it a short name like blender5.zip. Short names help avoid Windows path too long errors. Right-click the zip again and choose Extract All, then Extract. After extraction, you'll get a folder with a long name. Rename that folder to something simple, like Blender 5. Cut this Blender 5 folder and paste it to a drive with space. For example, E:\Blender 5 or D:\Blender 5. Go to E:\Blender 5 and double-click blender.exe. On first launch, Blender shows a quick setup window. Choose your preferred language. Pick a theme. Blender Dark is the default, but choose what you like. Set your key map if needed. I'll leave everything at default. And click Continue. Click anywhere outside the splash screen to close it. Blender is now ready. You now have Blender 4.5 LTS in the default system location for stable work, and you have Blender 5 Daily Build in E:\Blender 5 for testing upcoming features. Use LTS for production and the Daily Build for experiments. This way, your projects stay safe while you explore the future. That's it. We've installed the stable LTS and set up Blender 5 as a portable build. In the next session, we'll dive into the interface and start creating. See you there.